Introducing the ConCeal Series, an advanced seismic expansion joint system engineered specifically for exterior wall applications. The ConCeal Series offers versatile joint sizes ranging from 8 to 36 inches. The system features an advanced sealing mechanism that creates a fully weatherproof barrier. For seismic protection, the ConCeal Series combines a hinged cover, angled base member, and specialized lanyards to safely handle building movement of up to plus or minus 100%. After any movement event, the system automatically returns to its original position due to the counterweight, cable, and magnet system. Its modular design works with stone, metal panels, or other cladding, allowing the system to match or complement the selected finish. This is the factory-applied plate configuration, the standard PSWXP. This is the field-applied plate configuration, the PSWXFP. This is the recessed pan with infill configuration, the PSWXR. This assembly blends seamlessly with the surrounding surfaces, allowing it to virtually disappear from view. Now, let's walk through the installation process. Following these steps in sequence ensures optimal performance. If your system includes a fire barrier, install it first. Next, install the water barrier. Position and align it carefully according to the instructions for complete waterproofing protection. For PSWXFP configurations, this is when you install the cover skin. Then, place the hinge next to the cover assembly. Mark the hinge hole locations on the cover extrusion to identify correct T-nut placement. On the hinge side base member, mark 3 inches from the edge on one row. Mark 10 inches down from the first mark on the other row. Mark 10 inches down on the original row and repeat the pattern. Drill holes at each mark on both rows. Mark the installation location of the hinge side base member within the joint. Refer to the shop drawings for exact dimensions. Place the hinge side base member in position, checking that it is level and aligned. If pre-drilling the substrate, use the base member as a template to mark anchor locations. Remove the base member. Drill anchor holes and clear dust and debris. Return to the hinge side base member to the install position and then attach it to the substrate with the provided anchors. Leave the second to last anchor at each end uninstalled. These anchors will later secure the safety lanyards. Handle the magnets with care and use extreme caution. Have wooden shims ready to prevent the cover from snapping during installation. Place the magnet side base member in the install position, checking that it is level and aligned. If pre-drilling the substrate, use the base member as a template to mark anchor locations. Remove the base member. Drill anchor holes at the marked locations and clear dust and debris. Reinstall the magnet side base member and attach it to the substrate with the provided anchors. Place wooden shims on the magnet side base members. Select the plastic bushing and install it into the large hole below the top magnet on the magnet side base member. Insert the appropriate hex bolts into the T-nuts. Slide the required number of T-nuts into the hinge extrusion and tighten with the provided hex key. Unfasten all hex bolts from the T-nuts. This pre-assembly ensures alignment and makes final assembly smoother. Identify the bottom edge of the cover assembly and clean the outermost crossbar with a cloth and a 50% isopropyl alcohol and water mixture. Remove the liner from the provided weather strip and press firmly. With the weather strip end identified, place the cover assembly next to the installed hinge base member. Attach the cover to the hinge using the provided bolts and washers. Fastening securely into the T-nuts. Fasten the safety lanyards to the hinge side base member at the unfastened top and bottom locations from Step 6. Select the counterweight, wire rope, and wire rope clip. Mark the wire rope from the uncrimped end at a distance equal to the nominal joint width, plus 8 inches or 203 millimeters. Thread the uncrimped end of the wire rod completely through the hole in the strike plate or back cover nearest the hinge cover. Insert the other end through the plastic grommet on the magnet side base member. Thread the wire rope through the eye of the counterweight until it reaches the mark. Secure the wire rope with the wire rope clip and use cutters to trim the excess rope, allowing the counterweight to hang freely. Do not allow the cover plate to close yet. Install the sheet metal weight shroud, ensuring proper alignment, and secure it with the provided self-drilling screws. Slowly remove the wooden shims, allowing the cover to close gently. Do not slam the cover shut and keep hands clear of pinch points. Repeat these steps until all covers are installed. Maintain proper gaps between adjoining base members for thermal expansion. For PSWXR configurations, install the infill material at this stage. For more information about the ConCeal series, our technical team is ready to assist. Contact us through our website.